Get ready to discover some game-changing innovations that will blow your mind. From smart home upgrades to futuristic must-haves, we've rounded up the coolest tech you didn't even know you needed. Stick around. You won't want to miss these. And hey, if you love discovering awesome new gadgets, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Number 10, Fiisto Coucha. Working from the couch sounds great until you're balancing a laptop on your knees, spilling coffee, and struggling to find a comfy spot. But what if your couch could be your perfect workstation? Meet the Festo Couch, a smart setup designed to make your sofa as functional as a desk. This isn't just a lap tray, it's a full-on workstation with 12 built-in features to keep you productive and comfortable. There's a multi-function tabletop, snack holder, and even a cooling fan. Need to prop up your iPad? Done. A wireless charging station for your phone? It's got that too. And let's not forget the built-in rotating speaker, so you can switch from work mode to movie night in seconds, from breakfast to brainstorming sessions. This couch setup does it all. No more juggling devices or making a mess. Number 9, Paint Cam. Security cameras are great until all they do is record intruders while you sit there helpless. What if your security system could actually fight back? Meet Paint Cam, the home defense system that doesn't just watch, it takes action. Using facial recognition, it can tell friends from intruders and respond with a blast of paintballs or even tear gas to send trespassers running. It's packed with top-tier security features, video playback, cloud storage, and real-time alerts. But its AI goes further. It analyzes threats and reacts instantly. Laser targeting ensures precise shots, while night vision keeps your home protected 24/7, rain or shine. This isn't just another security cam, it's your personal defense system. Because sometimes watching isn't enough. Number 8, Govi Smart Space Heater. Winter's here, and no one likes freezing their toes off. But what if your heater was smart enough to warm up your space before you even walked in? Meet the Govi Electric Space Heater, a 1500-watt powerhouse that heats up in just 2 seconds. Control it straight from your phone, sync it with Google or Alexa, and even set routines so it kicks on when you're heading home. Safety covered. If it tips over, it shuts off instantly. It also has an 80-degree oscillation mode, a timer, and a safety lock. No more waiting for warmth, no more worrying about overheating. Just tap, set, and stay cozy. Number 7, Ascender. Tired of dragging your vacuum upstairs? What if your vacuum could climb them on its own? Meet the Migo Ascender, the stair-climbing robot vacuum that does more than just clean. It vacuums, it mops, and it tackles your entire house, including stairs, with smart AI on board. It knows the difference between carpets and hard floors, seamlessly switching between vacuum and mop mode. Obstacle in the way? No problem. The LiDAR and NTOF sensors help it navigate like a pro. It even empties itself so you don't have to lift a finger. Whether you have open risers, curved steps, or a spiral staircase, Ascender can handle them all. Forget lugging around a heavy vacuum. This one does the hard work for you. Number 6, Air Purifiers. Ever wished you could carry fresh air with you? Now you can. Meet Hail, the portable air purifier that gives you clean air anywhere. No bulky machines, no complicated setup, just fresh purified air right where you need it. Hail creates a personal clean air zone, filtering out dust, allergens, and odors without disturbing those around you. Its multi-layer HEPA filter with an activated carbon layer removes unwanted particles and even tackles pet, cooking, and chemical smells. Say goodbye to viruses and pollutants in your space. Whether you're at your desk, in a car, or on the go, Hail makes sure the air you breathe is always fresh. Breathe better wherever you are. Number 5, SwitchBot Lock. Tired of fumbling with keys? In just 30 seconds, you can turn your old lock into a smart, keyless entry system. No fancy installation, no overpriced locksmith. Meet SwitchBot, the quick and easy way to upgrade your lock. It snaps onto your existing deadbolt, giving you a keypad, fingerprint unlock, and NFC access without replacing a thing. Need to let someone in? Generate a one-time or timed passcode so they get in when they should, and stay out when they shouldn't. No cloud subscription needed. Your fingerprints and passcodes stay securely stored on the device. Plus, you can control everything from the app. Ditch the keys and unlock convenience in seconds. Number 4, TELLO Z. Why settle for stuffy rooms and uneven airflow? Meet TELLO Z, the bladeless fan that keeps your space perfectly comfortable while purifying the air. With dual fan power and 3D rotation, it pushes air from every direction, giving you a refreshing breeze or cozy warmth wherever you are. It's whisper quiet, but moves air over 65 feet. Powered by an aircraft-inspired brushless DC motor, TELLO ensures smooth, powerful circulation without noisy blades. Control it effortlessly with the LED touchscreen or remote. Unlike traditional fans, TELLO evenly distributes air throughout the room, so you're never stuck in a drafty or stagnant spot. From hot summer days to chilly winter nights, stay comfortable and breathe cleaner air, all with one sleek device. Number 3, Totem Planter. Think you can't keep a plant alive? Think again. The Totem Planter makes indoor gardening effortless with its modular, self-watering system. Whether you want fresh herbs, juicy strawberries, or lush greenery, this setup has you covered. No green thumb required. Stack the planters your way and create a custom vertical garden that fits your space. Grow tomatoes, microgreens, succulents, or ivy all organically, without chemicals or pests. Once your plants take root, transfer them outdoors or let them thrive right where they are. Whether you're in a tiny apartment or just want an easier way to grow, Totem Planter brings the farm to your fingertips. Number 2, Poolert. A child near water can slip in silently and in seconds, but with Pool Alert S, you'll know the moment someone enters the pool. This AI-powered alarm doesn't just detect movement. It knows the difference between a pet and a person. With 4 layers of alerts, including real-time monitoring, voice control, and app notifications, you're always in the know. It's solar-powered, so there's no need for wiring, and it connects with Google and Alexa for instant updates. You'll also hear audible alarms inside your home, so you're never caught off guard. Pool Alert S even filters out false alarms while detecting real underwater motion. Peace of mind is priceless. Keep your family safe without second guessing. Number 1, Poseion. Tired of dry skin, dull hair, and soap that won't lather? Your shower water might be the problem. Poseion's magnetic vortex showerhead transforms ordinary tap water into ionized, skin-friendly water that hydrates better and cleans deeper. Its built-in filters remove chlorine and other impurities, making every rinse pure and refreshing. Smaller water molecules mean your skin absorbs moisture more effectively, leaving it soft, not stripped. You'll use less shampoo, less soap, and even less water while still getting a powerful, satisfying flow. And it's not just great for you. Your pet's coats will be shinier and fluffier too. A shower should revive you, not dry you out. Switch to Poseion and feel the difference in every drop. Which one of these blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more next-level tech to upgrade your life, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. We've got plenty more coming your way. See you in the next one.